Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log into your Great Lake Credit Union account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type glcu.org and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Great Lakes Credit Union. If you scroll down, you will be able to look at the features provided by Great Lakes Credit Union. But for now, we need to log in, so let's look at that. Right here at the top right section, you will find something like login. Simply click on it. Now you need to enter your username. Once you have entered your username, you can either click on quick login or this login button right here. Simply click on any one of them. And from here, you will be prompted to enter your password. In case you forgot your password, here's the button right here that says I forgot my password. Click on it, follow the prompts, and again gain access to your account. If everything is okay, simply hit on the continue button and then you will be able to log into your Great Lakes Credit Union account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log into your GLCU account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.